Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I'll tell you how to track an order on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to section My Orders. Now find order that you want to track and click button Track Order, or also it can say View Details. So now you should see something similar to what I have on my screen. This is screenshot. So this is tracking information page where you can see your estimate delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates. So it can say, for example, like I have on my screenshot, shipment ready for dispatch, or it can say ready for delivery, something like that. But for example, if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by tapping this button and pasting this tracking number into universal tracker like 17 track website, for example. This is the tracker that AliExpress suggests me to use, but actually it doesn't really matter because all those trackers work according to similar principle, and there basically you can see even more detailed shipping updates. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.